Okay, we're going to just describe mail merge. There's really no way that I can have you practice this because this is also includes a Word document, which I have over here on the right hand side. Over on the left, I have a spreadsheet that has names and addresses. It could be anything. It could be an inventory. It could be whatever you want it to do. And I have saved this as an Excel file called MailMerge. And so once you have that saved and that data is the way you want it, now I go over to my Word document and there is a tab up here that said mailings. And we start mail merge, and I'm going to do a letter. We're going to do a letter and select recipients. I'm going to use an existing file, and I'm going to go to the desktop and go down here and find my FPU Excel 1 unit, and it's in Excel 3, and there's that mail merge file. So I'm going to open that up, and so now I have, well, I'm going to go back and do it again here, because it doesn't like the fact that I'm opening up something that's outside of its jurisdiction, so to speak. Yes, I know that that's true. And now it wants my range, and if you look over here, A1 to, let's go F40. So A1 colon F40. I don't even have to put capital letters in there. So, okay, boom. Oh, by the way, it showed sheet 1. So if you've got number of sheets, you can identify which sheet it is. So now I've identified that. Now these buttons over here pop up, which they weren't before. I can filter the recipients. But right here it says insert a merge field. So I'm going to insert first name, put a space, insert last name, and you notice they match what I have over here. I'm going to hit return. I'm going to say insert address, return. I'm going to insert the city, put a comma and a space. I'm going to insert the state with a space, and I'm going to insert a zip. And now I'll press return, and I will say dear space. And we're going to put first name in there because that's who we want to talk to with a comma. And then blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now over here it says preview results. So I click on that. And lo and behold, look at over here. There's Jane Bonner, 466 Bambo. There it is. And I can go to the next one. There's James Dunlop. There's John Lindstrom. And if you're looking over here, you can see that I can go down and I can just keep on going down. And it's going to print out, in this case, it looks like there's 39 people. It's going to print out 39 letters. And if I have mirrored envelopes, I can just fold these and put them into windowed envelopes, I meant, and mail them. And there's no typos. I didn't have to type in. Everything is already here. You merge it over into it. You can make, as I said, you can make letters. You can make messages. You can make envelopes. You can print labels on Avery label material. This is really a very, very powerful tool, but it takes a combination of Excel and Word.